JNE has been fabricating electrical transmission structures for a long time in the province. As you drive down the highway and see those brown steel power poles, there's a really good chance those structures were built in one of JNE's shops. We started many years ago when Saskpower was looking for an alternative materials and designs for the transmission structures. We decided to use a special kind of steel called self-weathering steel that has an additional chromium, copper and nickel alloying elements added to it, so it will form a patina that protects the metal from the weather for a long time. This results in a strong, stable structure that doesn't burn, is easy to fabricate and maintain, and most importantly, it doesn't need to be galvanized. One of the other great things about this material is that Everest could make this locally at the mill in Regina.
When you look at a power line, it looks simple, right? Just a bunch of posts stuck in the ground with some wires strung from one to the next. But transmission lines are extremely technical structures, and every part and component is engineered in detail to make sure they reliably provide power for years and years.
First of all, Saskpower's planning team spends months, if not years, selecting the right route and working with landowners along the route. Then the route is surveyed and an engineer is figuring out what kind of structures they need, how far apart and how high. Then the engineer provides us a list of structures and we figure out how much material is needed and the labor required to do the work. The pole material is tough to move around. Sometimes they're over 100 feet long and we require a special truck and pilot vehicles to transport the material. Once we get all the clips, brackets and attachments welded on and inspected, we send the poles to a painting company where we sandblast the bottom and apply a weatherproof coating. When that's all done, the poles, cross bracing and all other parts are shipped to site for installation.
This allows us to put Saskatchewan residents to work to fabricate the structures that deliver power to our homes and businesses. It's really a win-win-win for Saskpower, us and our communities. We can build anything out of steel. Get in touch with us at www.jnewelding.com and let's talk about what we can build for you.